Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine at your homes. In this video we will discuss the second part of this chapter unit number 3, the journey of the chocolate. Let's move to the activities. The activity is that read the lesson again and fill in the blanks with correct option. The first one is historians say chocolate has been famous for almost dash years. The correct answer is 2000 years. You have to write the correct answer in your fill in the blanks on your books and tick the correct answer, and you have to solve this activity by yourself after reading the chapter. The next activity is analytical reading. Read any article on chocolate and note down its advantages and disadvantages in your notebook. This is your home task, that you solve this activity by yourself or with the help of your parents. The next activity is vocabulary building. Read the given words with their meanings. These are the words and these are their meanings in the English. The first word is contain. Contain meaning is hold something or something. Hold someone or something. The second one is reddish, slightly red. You have to read all these word meanings by yourself and with the correct pronunciation. The next activity is anagram. An anagram is a word that is made by rearranging the letters of another word in a different order. एक मीनिंगफुल वर्ड है हमारे पास, उसी लेटर्स को हमने रीअरेंज करके एक न्यू मीनिंगफुल वर्ड मेक करना है. दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एनाग्राम. The first example is study, and we rearrange these letters and the word make dusty. This is the activity of anagram. You have to solve this activity by yourself by rearranging the letters of these words. Like the first word is keen, and we rearrange the word and the new word is made knee. The next activity is fill in the missing letters to complete the words. These are the words with their missing letters. You have to read the chapter carefully and solve this activity. The next activity is grammar, regular and irregular noun. Regular nouns are nouns that form their plural by adding either an s or es to the end. Irregular noun do not follow any particular pattern to form their plurals. कि regular noun में हम किसी भी word को, किसी भी noun को हमने plural में change करना है तो हम उसके लास्ट पे एस या ई एस लगा देते हैं, देन वो प्लूरल में चेंज हो जाता है. इन इरेगुलर नाउन वी डू नॉट फॉलो एनी पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न. लाइक दीज एग्जाम्पल्स, लुक एट these are the example of regular noun and these are the examples of irregular noun. chocolate, chocolates, यहाँ पे हमने एंड पे जस्ट एस ऐड किया, और यहाँ irregular में टूथ, टीथ, यहाँ पे हमने उसके थोड़े से स्पेलिंग चेंज किए जिसकी वजह से वो प्लूरल में चेंज हो गया, तो ये irregular noun है. दिस एक्टिविटी इज रिलेटेड टू द रेगुलर एंड irregular noun. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज goose and the plural is geese, and this word is irregular noun. And plural is flowers. हम यहाँ just s ऐड करेंगे तो ये हमारी regular noun की example है. And you have to write the plural of these words by yourself. The next activity is action verbs. We know that verb is called action words, and action words are like eat, sleep, read, run. And find 5 action words from the text and write sentences of your own using them in your notebook. आपने reading में से 5 verb choose करने हैं, उससे related आपने sentences write करने हैं. The next activity is preposition of position. Preposition of position indicate where something is. Preposition of position हमें बताती है कि कोई चीज़ कहाँ पर मौजूद है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अराउंड, अप, बिटवीन, अंडर एंड बिलो. लेट्स रीड दीज एग्जाम्पल. द फर्स्ट वन इज द रैबिट इज अंडर द बेड. तो यहाँ पे वो रैबिट की पोजीशन बता रहा है कि अंडर द बेड. दीज वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड द preposition of position. The next activity is make sentences of your own using the preposition of position given below and write them in your notebooks. These are the words of preposition of position and you have to write the sentences on your notebooks. The second activity is capitalization. Read the following sentences to understand the use of capital letters. कैपिटल लेटर्स मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि प्रॉपर नाउन जो हमारे वर्ड्स होते हैं उसका फर्स्ट लेटर हमेशा कैपिटल होता है, चाहे वो सेंटेंस के दरमियान में हो, लास्ट पे हो या शुरू में हो. और यहाँ पे देखें इसकी एक्टिविटी है पंक्चुएट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. दीज आर द सेंटेंसेस एंड यू हैव टू पंक्चुएट ऑल दीज सेंटेंसेस बाय यूजिंग द कैपिटलाइजेशन रूल्स. This is the activity learning to write. Read the given recipe. This is the recipe of chicken cheese sandwich and this is the activity related to this activity. Now write recipe of chocolate milkshake. You have to write the recipe of chocolate milkshake by yourself with these ingredients. The last activity is creative writing. Write a paragraph about your favorite food and also write the reason why you like it. This is your home task, that you write your favorite food and reason. I hope you understood all the activities that I briefed in this video. You have to practice all these activities with the help of your tutor. Allah Hafiz.